In the blink of an eye, everything can change. Picture this. You're cruising along at 60 miles per hour, the world whizzing by in a blur. Suddenly, an innocent sneeze strikes. Did you know that in that fleeting moment, you're essentially blind for about 50 feet? That's right, every sneeze, a reflex to clear irritants from your nose and throat, also forces a brief closure of your eyes. At 60 miles per hour, you're spanning roughly 88 feet every second. So during that sneeze, your eyes are closed for the length of an Olympic swimming pool. The lesson here, keep distractions to a minimum and those peepers on the pavement, because in an instant, the world can change, and it's best to see it coming.